Gusto ko lang balikan itong topic ng performance, image, at saka exposure, PI, as key factors in sustained career success. Medyo mahaba-haba ito, so kung hindi ka interesado sa iyong career development, maybe this is not the video for you, so you can just scroll. So, kung ikaw ay nandito pa rin at interesado ka, I would like to share my observation as an HR consultant, as a training facilitator, as a coach, as a mentor, and as a leader of an organization called the Philippine Society for Talent Development, where I met a lot of people who are able to successfully sustain their career success. Okay? So, simulan natin sa performance. I think performance is a sustaining factor in continued success. Yung mga taong mataas ang performance ay dahil meron silang intrinsic motivation to perform well. It might be coming from their value, no, of sense of achievement, sense of responsibility. Posible ring mataas yung kanilang motivation kasi gusto nila yung kanilang ginagawa. So sometimes even if the workplace is an ideal, hindi ideal yung boss, hindi ideal yung kasama sa trabaho, they can still perform well. So some people who perform really well are able to sustain their growth outwards because of their ability to learn new things and excel in those areas as well. May mga tao na nai-stuck sa kanilang posisyon even if they're a high performer because they fail to build on the two other factors, which is image at saka exposure. Let's talk about image. The people I know who are able to perform well and have good image are people who are trustworthy, dependable, consistent, and helpful. People like to work with them because they're good team players. When they become leaders, they're good team leaders. So, importante yung trust at saka dependability. Di ba? Mapagkakatiwalaan at maaasahan ka. May mga leaders na ganyan, kaya sila ay sinusundan ng kanilang mga tao kahit na saan. Mga idol, no? Itong mga ito. I know a lot of people who are at this level of image. Strong ang kanilang personal brand. Yung pangatlo ay exposure. Maraming mga high performers ang mahina sa exposure dahil they want to work in silence. They want their work to speak for them. Unfortunately, people are busy, no, and people are focused on their own personal challenges. So importante talaga na naibi-build up mo yung sarili mo. Yung mga taong magaling sa exposure are people who are able to express themselves in a meeting, di ba? They recommend ideas for improvements. Ayan, binibuild up nila yung kanilang sarili by seeking opportunities to step up, no, and stand out. Importante yung network. Importante rin na magkaroon ka ng mentor, no? Especially a mentor who can also be your advocate. Ngayon yung image at saka yung exposure without the performance is short-lived. Unless magi-stay ka sa isang kumpanya na tinotolerate yung iyong low performance at masaya na sa iyong buladas, di ba? You cannot move from one company to another na bola lang yung iyong image at saka yung iyong exposure at wala kang performance. Kombinasyon yung tatlo na yon for sustained growth. So tandaan natin, pag performance lang, walang image at saka exposure, baka mabulok ka dyan sa kinalalagyan mo. Kung image lang at exposure pero wala namang performance, your success will be short-lived kasi hahanapan ka ng resulta eventually, especially if you are working in an organization that values result. Di ba? So, ayan. Tandaan natin, yung ating performance should be driven by our internal motivation kasi sobrang daming external demotivators that can affect us. Yung ating image should come from our ability to communicate with others, the ability to provide and offer support and help others, at yung ating exposure is our ability to advocate for ourselves, to showcase our talent and to find people who can help us, move up in the organization, whatever organization that is. I hope this helps.